Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDK MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. The first MCQ is which part of the digestive system is primarily responsible for the absorption of water? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Esophagus. So the correct option is C. Large intestine. What is the main function of the villi and the small intestine? A. Secrete digestive enzymes. B. Increase surface area for absorption. C. Produce mucus. D. Absorb water. So the correct option is B. Increase surface area for absorption. Which substance emulsifies fats and the digestive system? A. Lipase. B. Amylase. C. Bile. D. Trypsin. The correct option is bile. C. Which hormone stimulates the release of digestive enzymes from the pancreas? A. Gastrin. B. Secretin. C. Cholecystokinin and D insulin. So the correct option is C. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for the initial breakdown of carbohydrate? A. Stomach. B. Mouth. C. Small intestine. D. Large intestine. So the correct option is mouth. B. Which condition is characterized by inflammation of the pancreas? A. Hepatitis. B. Pancreatitis. And C. Cirrhosis. So the correct option is C. Which part of the digestive system stores feces before excretion? A. Small intestine. B. Stomach. C. Rectum. D. Appendix. So the correct option is rectum. C. Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of protein in the stomach? A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Pepsin. D. Trypsin. So the correct option is pepsin. Which structure is the last part of the small intestine? A. Duodenum. B. Jejunum. C. Ileum. D. Cecum. So the correct option is C. Ileum. What is the primary role of the gallbladder? A. Produce bile. B. Store and concentrate bile. C. Produce digestive enzymes. D. Absorb nutrients. So the correct option is stores and concentrate biles. Thanks for joining me. These um, I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.